In the shadow of Capua, Rome's most infamous gladiator school, men were not born, they were made. Forged in fire, discipline, and blood. This was the Ludus, a factory of human weapons where the spirit was systematically broken and replaced with a killer's instinct. Here, a Thracian slave named Spartacus was honed into a perfect instrument of death, all for the amusement of his masters. This is where the story begins, not with a cry for freedom, but with the relentless, clanking rhythm of chains. Life in the Ludus was a brutal symphony of iron and flesh. Every sunrise brought the same grim routine, grueling training under the unforgiving gaze of the lanista batat. Each day was a fight for survival, not against a foe in the arena, but against the despair that gnawed at every soul. Friendships were a liability, trust a luxury they couldn't afford. The only currency was skill with a blade, the only reward another day of life. Spartacus, however, held onto a sliver of something more, a memory of freedom, a wife stolen from him. This ember of defiance, buried deep beneath the hardened exterior of a champion, refused to be extinguished. The arena was the ultimate test, the grand stage for this theatre of death. For the roaring crowds, it was entertainment. For the gladiators, it was a dance with destiny. Each victory brought roars of approval and temporary reprieve, but it also brought them closer to an inevitable end. Spartacus excelled, his every move a testament to the brutal training he endured. He became the champion of Capua, a living legend. But with every life he took, the chains around his spirit grew heavier. He was a celebrated killer, a slave adorned in laurels. The cheers of the mob sounded like a death knell, a constant reminder that his life was not his own. But even the strongest chains can break. A whispered word, a shared glance of defiance. A growing sense of brotherhood among the oppressed, these were the sparks that would ignite a firestorm. The men who were trained to kill for sport began to see a different path. They were more than just property. They were brothers in chains, united by a shared suffering. The relentless discipline that was meant to control them would become their greatest weapon. The breaking point was near. The gladiator, the slave. The champion Spartacus was about to remind Rome that even a man forged in a cage can dream of the open sky. The rebellion was not a matter of if, but when. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from history.